Okay, so this is a very exciting update. After months of trial and error, this thing finally works. I had two motors, one on this side, one on this side. And then, as you can see, I do not have the clamp. What proved to be a much easier system, which involved less electronics, was, let's see if I can get a better angle here. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but this stopper is actually firmly pressing on the lever that pushes in and out. And that acts as like a fulcrum, which actually tilts it back straight when it gets to the top. I am Obi-Wan Kenobi.
I am Obi-Wan Kenobi. I am Obi-Wan Kenobi. I am Darth Maul.
Now, obviously, that's not going to be the final sound bites. You know?
I am Obi-Wan Kenobi.
This sensor is directly over the track, so as soon as the train comes in, it senses that, and that's what activates the motors to start the elevator. This final mechanism I'd actually already built for the Ferris wheel lift. It's connected to the motor here, and that motor is connected through the structure to this thing, which goes all the way up here and controls this pusher. And it's aligned real perfectly so it can hit just off the side and not hit the speaker. Now let's try it again. So,
I am Obi-Wan Kenobi.
activates the speaker, the sensor activates the elevator, it comes up, and then the pusher ejects it, and then retracts. And that is how the elevator works.